On the grass, adjacent to our beautiful Veterans Plaza, we have a set of stones that bear the name of Milpitas residents killed in military conflicts. Today, as a mark of respect and remembrance, the Milpitas Police Honor Guard will perform a traditional gun salute. Following the salute, we have Milpitas Community Concert Band trumpet player Martin Reyes here to perform taps, the bugle call used to announce lights out and also played at military funerals. Mr. Reyes also performs with the San Jose Christian Assembly Church located here in Milpitas.
Two, three, detail, halt. Firing positions, move. Ready. 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 Reset. Arm. Order. Arm.